morning, campers. So today we're going to start throwing our airplane and collecting our data. So you're going to see a couple of series of videos that show exactly how you do it. So please watch them from start to finish so you know what you're doing. It is not boring learning information. It truly is to show you how to do your plane runway and how to collect your data. So have fun with it, please. And I can't wait to see pictures of you guys doing it. So happy throwing. Hey guys. So first thing you need is a piece of paper and a pencil, that cool pencil you got in your bag. And we are going to create your data collection sheet to take outside with you. What you're going to do is label throw and then fraction. And you're going to label it throw 1 through 10. So throw 1, 2, and so on until you get to 10. And let's just say that on throw 1, you got your airplane landed on 1/3, which you will see later in the video of exactly what I'm talking about and what that will look like. So if it landed on 1/3 for throw 1, I would write 1, and if it landed on 2/5 for throw 2, I would write 2/5 for throw 2, and all the way until I hit my 10th throw. But go ahead and create your list. Obviously your fractions are going to look different. This is just my example, but have it ready to go 1 through 10 so that you can record it with your pencil and then come back in and put it in your slide.
Hey campers, today we're going to draw our flight line for our plane to land so we can collect data. So you're going to use one of your pieces of chalk, and just like Mr. S shows in his video, if you did his activity, we're going to start with a starting point, right? And that will be 0. And then you're going to use your foot, mark it, and I want you to put the first fraction in your list. Then you're going to do your foot there, mark it, do the next fraction on your list, mark it, do the next fraction on your list, and so forth till you've used all your fractions. Once you've got all your fractions written, this is just a small sampling of what yours will look like, you're now going to collect your data. And the way you collect your data is you're going to throw your plane 10 times. And every time you're going to use that pencil and write it on a piece of paper of what you threw. So first throw, what you threw, what fraction. Second throw, what fraction. Third throw, what fraction. So my first throw, I would throw. All right, now the way that I'm going to measure that is I'm going to get in the middle of my airplane and walk to the fraction. And in this case, it would be this fraction. So for me, it's 1/8. So on my paper, I'd write first throw 1/8. Then I get back to the beginning. I throw again, and it landed on 1/6. So for my second throw, I would write 1/6. And then this one's good. This is 1/5. So I'd write third throw 1/5. But let's pretend it came all the way out over here. Again, you're going to walk it in. Just walk straight to the closest fraction. All right?
The next thing you'll do is go into your slides and find your recording sheet. You will simply tap on that recording sheet and enter the fractions that you toss. So for instance, if you had 3/4 for your first toss, you will record 3/4 and so on until you get to the 10th toss. So you will want to keep that for the rest of the week.